Welcome 10th standard. We are going to prove that the given number is an irrational number through this video. There are different type of numbers like this. We are going to see how these numbers are irrational. So it is an irrational number that we know, but we want to prove it as an irrational number. So if question is given like this, take the given number as rational number first. By contrary, that is, which means by opposite. We know it is an irrational number, but we are going to assume it is a rational number by contrary. So if it is a rational number, how can we express this as a rational number? Any number is rational can be written in the form of P by Q. So where P and Q are co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Co-prime number in the sense, for these two numbers, suppose instead of P which we can take 7 and instead of P if we take 5, there is no common factor between 7 and 5. Then this is called as co-prime numbers. So we are going to take this number as rational number. If we are taking this as rational number, that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, and there is no connection between P and Q, numerator and denominator, that is called as co-prime numbers. Then next one is transpose all the rational to the another side and all the other value to the other side. So keep the square root number as it is and no changes in this P by Q. Transpose this plus 5, this side becomes minus 5, and make it as linear, that is square root 3 is equal to, if you transpose this cross multiple, then this becomes 5q by q. This is, we know, if number is written in the form of square root, then it is irrational, and this a number which is can be written in the form of P by Q, then it is called as rational. Definitely rational and irrational will not be equal. So this rational and irrational will not be equal. Hence our assumption is wrong. Therefore square root 3 plus 5 or 5 plus square root 3, both are same, is an irrational number, hence proved. This is one way. Suppose if the question is asked like this, if both the terms are square root, if both the numbers are square root, here in this question one number is normal like integer and another is an irrational. In this both the numbers are square root. Procedure is same, still the method is same, that is, first one, let us assume square root 5 plus square root 3 is a rational number. First step over. This word by contrary is very important. Second, if it is rational, how can we express P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime numbers. This is also important. Everything, each and every word in this kind of question is very important. Then here we have one integer and we have one irrational number, but in this question both are irrational number. If question is like this, next step is, one more step is added in this, that is squaring on both sides. Square on both sides. If we square, what shall we get? Square root 5 plus square root 3 whole square should come, and here this becomes P square and Q square. Okay, so if this is of the form a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square identity, which can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab p square by q square, no change in this. Since these two numbers are square root number, we are adding this step. Then we are going to make number like this. After that, same process as we did in this question. Square and square root get cancelled. The remainder is 5 here. The remainder is 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 2 into square root 5 into square root 3, that is square root 15, is equal to p square by q square. Now transpose this 8 this side first. No change in this 2 square root 15 is equal to p square by q square. If you transpose this 8 becomes minus 8. As usual, keep the square root number alone one side and the other number another side. P square by q square. First let us make it as linear. 8q square, this become whole division. Now you transpose this to this side. If you transpose this to this side becomes division. So this is irrational and this is rational. Definitely irrational and rational will not be equal. Hence therefore our assumption is wrong. Hence square root 5 plus square root 3 is an irrational number. Hence proved. That's all. Suppose if question is asked like this. Only one term is there. In this one term, a part of the number is integer and another is irrational. This also same process. So again same thing you write. Let us assume 3 square root 2 is a rational number by contrary. Very important. Second, so what is second step? If it is rational number, we can return the form of p by q, where p and q are co-prime number. Then what shall we do? We want to transpose square root 2 p by q. Transpose this 3 this side becomes denominator. So this is irrational and this is rational. Definitely this is not equal. Hence our assumption is wrong. Therefore 3 square root 2 is an irrational number. Hence two more method are there that I will teach you in the next video. Thank you.